Here we go. 2 boxes of Panini Prime 12/13 for SKidSTL. I will very, very slowly unwrap this because he apparently is refreshing. There you go. We start off number 249, Jonathan Taves. Johnny T. It works for him.
Bam.
Numbered 7 of 25. Prime numbers. Jaden Schwartz. Jaden Schwartz. 7 of 25. Prime numbers. Dirty. For the number 99 primetime rookie, Sven Berchi.
You asked.
Told you he's going to get some St. Louis and some Calgary. Nice. We have a primetime rookie patch, numbered 4 of 10, Brendan Manning. Brendan Manning, numbered to 10. And numbered to 249, Tyson Berry.
Pretty good pack.
Very solid pack.
Ooh, that's pretty.
That's pretty low printed, too. Numbered to 125, Brett Hull. And I like the low numbering on this one. We have a rookie patch autograph, 2-color, parallel, numbered 17 of 19, J.T. Brown. 17 of 19, J.T. Brown.
That's steel base.
So, 2 St. Louis Blues, a nice Calgary Flame, a nice patch out of 10, and an out of 19 Dominion RPA. I say you've done good. How many more primes do we have underneath there?
5?
Yeah, because we haven't had a prime colors out of this case yet.
I think we do.
Well, there's 2 of them in the case. So, if he doesn't, people are going to have fun with those. Oh, no prime colors. Number 249, Jeff Skinner. Jeff Skinner. Oh, I love those cards. We have numbered 1 of 2 All-Star Selections autograph. Henrik Lundqvist. 1 of 2 Henrik Lundqvist All-Star Selections autograph. Boom. We have a dual jersey number to 200 of Carter Ashton, UC Runis.
Go, Leafs, go.
A prime signatures number to 99 of Riley Shahan. And we have number to 50 prime jersey, dual jersey, dual prime jersey, Chris Foucault. And again, if anyone else wants one of the the primes, there's 5 left, and we've had no peerless no prime, whatever you call them, colors. Number to 125, Mika Zibanejad. And maybe this is a calling to do this set. You have another rookie patch autograph parallel, numbered 14 of 55, Aaron Ness.
Sick patch.
That's gross. There you go, sir. Congratulations.